When I started with the technology department, I was the administrative assistant. And as the needs evolved, we developed the help desk. And with the help desk, I have been there from the beginning of time. Technology is needed in many ways for the teaching aspect of it, whether it be your telephone, your PA system, and then we get into now the iPads and the laptops and all the interactive that we have the students working with. And what's nice is the help desk, you're introduced to all of the different avenues, applications, hardware, and it's a fast pace. You can't keep up with technology because it just continues to improve.
I think I like education because of the teachers I had in school, the counselor that got me involved in that initial internship program. I've wanted to do that for other kids. I'm third level support for desktop side. So the way our support structure works is ideally the users would be calling our help desk for help. If help desk can't solve the issue, they'd pass it on to our interns who are level 1. If our interns can't handle it, they tend to pass the ticket on to our level 2 technical support specialists. If they can't resolve the issue, they tend to pass it on to level 3, which would be the desktop engineer, or maybe the network engineer if we determine that's what the cause was. I serve as an escalation point for my coworkers, and I also have projects and things that I work on to try and secure the desktop environment.
I've been working in public education for quite a while. I did 7 years with a local school district in North Carolina doing very similar work, and then 4 years as a vendor before that working in local school districts in eastern North Carolina, eastern Virginia, and occasionally all over the Southeast. My position is definitely a multi-tiered approach. I do everything from end-user support, network support, application support, projects, vendor communications, the list goes on and on and on. Basically, if there's anything with technology involved, I'm either hands-on working with it or lining up the right parties to get results. Working towards student learning, student achievement creates an atmosphere for a bottom line that's very easy to get excited for. This isn't just a job, you're coming in, you're making a difference.
What's nice is we work with all of the area schools, and some of them we will do all of the technology work for, and even if we don't fully support that area school, they still feel comfortable enough to reach out to us, and we will help them in any way we can.
We do full tech support for Dansville, Weberville, Waverly, Stockbridge, and I'd argue Holt too. With those services, it's everywhere from the user account creation for staff and students to managing the SIS system to manage all the data, replacement cycles of their machines, getting their machines out there, the wireless, the phones, anything like that we support for them.
Physically, we're definitely separated, but we're always in contact, whether it's through chat, video conference, telephone, or the occasional face-to-face meeting. We're definitely aware of things that are going on, with the different locations. I get in the field less than I am in my office, so with that, I have to stay on top of communication. Always reaching out to teachers, keeping them in the loop as regards to progress. Just recently, I was working with teachers here at Waverly, staff from the ISD, vendor support from a software provider to work towards a solution, and it's just a matter of organizing the communication between so many parties involved.
What's nice is working the help desk is you feel the relief in the teacher that you can assure the teacher you're going to get them back on track and keep that teaching going smoothly. And so that's very rewarding to have the teacher reach out and then you're able to get them back on their program.
Because we have a team that's got a wide skill set, we're able to support multiple devices. So we've got Kindle devices out there, we've got iPads and Chromebooks and touchscreen Chromebooks and PC laptops and desktops. And we try to match the need of the student or staff member to the device. Can't always meet that need, but we try the best we can to put a device in their hands, keep that device running for as long as possible.
The internet in general, it just opens up the doors to the world. And when it comes to uptime, a device in every student's hands and just uninterrupted usage, that's our end goal, it's uptime. And it's providing the opportunity for results.